Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Ace of Pentacles. Yan, biglang umulhan. And the Seven of Swords. Ace of Wands. And the Wheel of Fortune. The Queen of Pentacles. And the Emperor. Two of Cups. And the Strength card. So, sana naririnig nyo. And the Six of Cups, bottom card. So, may mga specific signs tayo dito ng Leo and Aries. So, mukhang may nakakaalala na naman sa'yo ngayon. Maaring signs yan ng Leo and Aries na mukhang gustong humingi ng second chance with you. So, ang lakas ng kulog. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. So, we have here the falling star, coffee, music, ground, clover, and dream catcher. So, itong taon to gusto kanyang i-date, no? Gusto kanyang i-date. And maaaring itong taong ito ay ayaw na ayaw mo dati. Or may mga nagawa siyang hindi maganda sa'yo. Bottom card natin, newspaper. Pero mukhang nagbago na daw siya. Sabi niya dyan. Ayan. And kung ito ay childhood sweetheart mo or dati mo naging classmate sa elementary, high school, ganyan. So, parang siguro pinagtitripan ka nito dati, binubuli-buli ka, pero ngayon parang pantakip lang niya yun sa feelings niya sa'yo. So, tinan natin. Ano message ng Archangel dito? Kasi namimiss ka nitong taong to eh. So, clairvoyance by Archangel Raziel. I'm helping your spiritual side to awaken fully so you can clearly see heavenly love. So, maaaring itong taong ito ay matagal ka ng crush, pero tinatago niya yun sa pambubuli niya sa'yo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, mukhang lalakas pa yung ulan. Moving forward. Can you forgive me? So, ayan. So, dahil sa ginawa niya or nagawa niyang hindi maganda sa'yo noon. So, gusto niya humingi ng kapatawaran. So, it's a disaster. Kung ano naman yung nangyari dati. I want a family with you. Being defensive. I'm so in love with you and I need to achieve my goals. I'm addicted to you. So, kaya hindi ka maalis din sa isip nitong taong ito, no? Na-obsessed din siya sa'yo. And, bottom card, I want to surprise you. Uy, may pa-surprise. So, maring surprise visit din ito. Bibisitahin ka niya. So, kuha pa tayo ng mga messages natin. I wonder if you're happy without me. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. I wish I had treated you better. So, ito yung mga ginawa niya hindi maganda sa'yo before na pinagsisisihan niya bakit niya yun nagawa sa'yo. So, sana hindi na lang ganun yung naging trato niya sa'yo dati. Kaya siguro malayo yung loob mo rito sa taong to. Ayaw mo sa kanya before. And I want to tell you how I feel. Can't stop thinking about you. So, talagang hindi ka niya makakalimutan. Finding out the truth crushed me. I regret lying to you. So, yun kasi nungalingan yung mga nangyari o yung mga sinabi niya sa'yo. Yung pagtrato niya sa'yo ng kabaliktaran, kung ano yung tunay niyang intention. Ayan. I know I was a distraction from your pain and I knew exactly what I was doing. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Letter S, G, Bea. Yan, B-E-A-M. Message. X and Z. Letter J, bottom card, letter L. So, let's see sa blue card. Union of Hearts. Regret and Destiny. So, yung mga pinagsisihan niya, ayan, yung mga ginawa niyang hindi maganda before. So, let's see sa ating general signs and messages. Lake and Selfieholic. Sweet. Twin flame. So, maring twin flame connection. July. Wands is fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, nag-i-stalk siya. Creepy, stalker, chaser. Attractive. Practical. Perfect smile. Crazy for you. Flower, maring peace offering. Quiet person. Vulnerable. Athletic. February. August. December. South PH, maring soulmate for some of you. Responsible. Private person. Confusing. Food lover. Divine masculine. Patience please. Emotional. Sexy body. Full of charisma. And soon. So, ayan, soon, maring surprise visit ito or surprise na makikita mo siya somewhere. Ayan. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.